The defendant essentially tried to take the necklace off of a passerby on the bus with a knife.
A knife on a public bus against a stranger just trying to get home. That's not a bad day. That's a felony. And now her lawyer's here asking for a nominal bond, citing a mental health episode. But wait, the prosecutors already flagged prior felony assault convictions, so this isn't her first rodeo. The judge is about to decide mercy or public safety. Watch how this unfolds, because every word she says in that courtroom matters.
Court calls the case, People versus Andrea Tippins. This is
We're going to get on written.
okay. Sure, man. We found him, Miss Tippins.
All right, thank you.
Finally located him.
That's fine.
I sent a bunch of people out to track him down. Mr. Johnson, can you state your appearance, sir?
Good morning, Mayor. Please, this honorable court. Kareem Johnson on behalf of Ms. Tippins.
Your name again, ma'am?
Andrea Tippins.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing on this?
Yeah, I'm humbly asking this court for an adjournment. I have gotten information and discovered from the prosecutor's office. I need to talk to Ms. Tippins about some things, but I would like to address her bond as well, Your Honor.
All right. Will a couple of weeks give you enough time?
Yes, Your Honor. I was hoping the court could give me the 30th.
30th? Okay. I'll do that. Probable cause April 30th, 2026. 9 a.m. Okay, yes, that's the bond.
Yeah, my client is indigent. These charges are serious. However, I believe that a mental health episode may have been what was at root of this issue. I don't know what all the court saw in the request for warrant, but she was, she left the bus. She was arrested without incident. This happened on the bus. I don't believe she made contact with anybody on the bus, especially to make contact with anybody on the bus with a weapon. So we'd ask the court to consider a nominal bond, considering her indigency, the fact that mental health may have played a role in this, and the fact that I don't think that she's a flight risk, Your Honor.
Response from the people.
John, I would agree with the characterization. There's a pretty significant mental health episode, but I do have concerns for public safety. This does not appear to be the first run-in with the law, especially in an assaultive matter. I am seeing previous convictions for felonious assault as well as assault and battery. Luckily, no one in this instance was harmed. If there were some way the defendant could get treatment either in custody or with a release to treatment, I think that would prove incredibly helpful for this defendant as well as resolution of this case. But I do have concerns for public safety, given the nature of this offense, being that the defendant essentially tried to take the necklace off of a passerby on the bus with a knife. And I'll leave it at that.
Do you receive services from CMH?
No, see, because I don't get any service around because I don't know where to go to for any mental service.
Got it. Okay. So you're just not sure where to go.
Not sure. I seen some places, but I wanted to stop by, but I just thought that there was for teenagers or children only. I'm 42, and basically
You're young.
yeah. I'm just keeping myself together, not trying to prove the fact that I can act tough, but I don't want to do anything really stupid like take a life or a little piece of jewelry. I can go out and buy myself.
Okay, listen. I'll put it out to the 30th, but if somehow we can get her, I think she wants services.
Yeah, I want to refer.
Out where to go. Okay, so if counsel can try, I'll deny the request. I'll continue her bond at this time. But if counsel can get together and try to figure out how to get her hooked into some services, I would certainly consider some alternative in terms of incarceration, but some type of release. We just got to get her set up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bond denied for now. But the judge left the door cracked open. He saw something worth saving. The real verdict here isn't legal, it's personal. She has priors. She had a knife. She had chances. Now she has one more. Was the judge too lenient given her record, or exactly right to offer a path to treatment? Drop your verdict below, hit like, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns.